Hey, it's Natasha from YMO Homeschool, and today I have an unboxing for you of the BJU Press Distance Learning Online Bible Truths 2 program. Okay, so I'm so excited about this. I purchased this at the homeschool convention for $39 and some change. So for 40 bucks, basically, you get all these books I'm going to show you, plus the actual online course, which has a bunch of supplemental activities and a downloadable teacher's guide on there, and they get to watch the lesson and has all the books you need. This is cheaper to do it this way than purchasing the teacher's guide and the books and not having the online course. So it makes perfect sense to do the online course. Their Bible courses are $49 if you purchase it straight from their website. But if you get a discount at the convention or probably go through one of those homeworks by precepts people, I bet you they can probably get you the same deal. Don't quote me on that. I actually have no idea. I'm just assuming. So, open it up. Beautiful books in here. So excited. Okay, so we have the BJU Press Distance Learning Getting Started Guide. We have the Question of Yams. I actually already have this book. I had found it at Goodwill. My daughter read it, not this daughter, another daughter read it last summer. I loved this book. We have Pelts and Promises. We have the Bible Truths 2 video lesson guide. We have the student handouts for grade 2 Bible. We have tests and a test answer key and the workbook. Oh, looks like there's something else in there. Thought that was it. The workbook and, ooh, how cool, student materials. So, oh, looks like a little timeline. This is so cool. These are heavy cardstock. Like timeline and bookmarks, I think is what that is. So now you'll notice that this is an older edition this is not their newest edition of Bible, but this is the edition that goes with the online distance learning program. But if you buy the online distance learning, they'll send you what you need. You don't have to figure it out. They send you what you need. So I have never used Bob Jones Bible Truths. This will be our first time. But I have heard so many great things about it from my teacher friends that use it in a Christian school, and they absolutely love it. And it's so colorful, and I'm just really excited to use this with my daughter. Oh, look, Question of Yams questions. That's so cool. I'm so excited about this. Anyway, so there you have it. I obviously can't tell you anything about it because I have no idea, but that's what you get with the BJU Bible Grade 2 Online Distance Learning Program. So if you do have any questions, you can ask me and I'll try to answer, but I may not be able to tell you until we're a little bit farther in it. So, all right, thanks so much and have a wonderful day.